There is a huge misconception that the plastic surgery is used only by women. Nowadays, about 1 million men have considered the plastic surgery during the last year. So the most popular surgeries are liposuction, male breast, eyelid surgery, facelift and the nose job. Nowadays, most of the people, it doesn't matter if you are a man or a woman, they think that the plastic surgery can fix all of the problems just in this way. But it's not like this. Don't forget that there are downsides of this process, like the cost of the operation and the post-recovery process. And also, if you have some psychological problems, please do not forget to consult with your other doctors or with your friends before you do the plastic surgeries, because sometimes there are some unrealistic expectations and you also have to consult your doctor before you decide to do this. There might be some complications when you consider the plastic surgery, because you go under the anesthesia or maybe general or local anesthesia. After this, you might have some problems with the recovery, like headaches or some other pains in your body. But of course, it passes after 2 or 3 weeks, so it's not actually a problem. But sometimes you might have an unexperienced doctor, so that's why you have to check your clinic, to check your doctors before you decide to do the surgery. That's why we strongly advise you to check our website and check our doctors before you come. And also you can consult the free consultation with us. After this, you can decide whether you want to continue with us or with any other clinic. So the last advice that we want to give you, please be realistic about the surgery. Make sure you know all the risks that you have after the surgery. Make sure you have a consultation with your doctor and you know what to wait and what will be the outcomes of your plastic surgery. Get fit as much as you can. Do not smoke, do not drink, so that your rehabilitation process might be easier. And also be prepared or ask someone for help during the rehabilitation process after the operation. Also, in order to know other tips that might help you after the surgery, please check our video in our channel and don't forget to subscribe. And also check our website in order to know more information. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye!
You can contact us immediately via our WhatsApp number or click the link in the video to ask our doctor questions via email.